Data Sync Manager is a suite of products that use the same shared base for administration and also rely on something called the Business Object Workbench. So this is a mapping of the SAP data model that covers multiple different system types. So S/4HANA, ERP, CRM, SRM, GTS, BW, the list goes on and on. The different engines then get to use that data model for how they need to access the data and work with the data. Object Sync allows you to select data for a specific instance of a type of data in order to be able to copy that data from a source system into a target, allowing people to get just the data they need when they need it. Client Sync uses that data model within the Business Object Workbench in order to build a very lean test client. You can reduce the volume either by limiting it to just customizing and master data or having just a time slice of transactions, so a system that will behave exactly like production if you're just using the data for the last few months. Client Sync can also allow you to build a test client for a specific company code, and it will find all of the related master data and transactional data and limit it just to that data. Data Secure leverages the definitions from the Business Object Workbench and then layers what we call integrity maps across those to link the different places where the same data is actually stored and used. It then combines those integrity maps with transformation functions which say how the data should be adapted, and together they form rules. This allows you to consistently anonymize data across multiple areas of SAP within a single system, but also across multiple systems. So where the same data might exist in a CRM system and an S/4HANA system, it's masked consistently. Shell Sync allows you to align the repository of a target system using an extract from the source. So typically this would be taking an old training system or sandbox and making sure that it has the very latest workbench data from your production instance to make it a very good place to do testing. All four of these components together give you all the tools you need to effectively manage your test data in the SAP world.